Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfa Aurelie Oldrasifaya. My study number is A3220000042. I'm from class B. My first time go to Turkey in early March 2018. After me and my family carry out Umrah, we go to Turkey. We depart from King Abdulaziz Jeddah Airport to Istanbul Airport. We depart from Jeddah at night until Istanbul in the morning. After that, we walk to our bus. We went straight to the restaurant to eat and walk to the Blue Mosque. We walked around and took photos. After that, we stopped by the Hippodrome in the Blue Mosque area. The area there is very clean and aesthetic. There are many historical buildings, and when I was there, it was winter. After that, we headed to the Bosporus Strait and boarded a cruise ship with lots of seagulls. And on the edge of Bosporus, there were many historical buildings, and there was a Bosporus Bridge. The Bosporus Strait is a strait that parts Turkey from the European part of Asia. After we went down the Bosporus Strait, then we got off the cruise ship. Then we took the bus and headed to the hotel to rest, and at night we went out to enjoy the beautiful city of Istanbul. Because the air was very cold, we went straight to the hotel again to sleep. On the second day, we had breakfast. After that, we traveled again to Topkapi Place, namely the magnificent palace of Turkish Usmani heritage. We went around the palace and saw the beauty of Topkapi and didn't forget to our photos. And after that, we continue our journey to Hagia Sophia, where it was very beautiful and magnificent, and we went to the shop for souvenir. After that, we continue our trip to Bursa. After arriving, we headed to the hotel and rest. On the third day is our last day. We used the bus go up the mountain Uludag. The road was very steep. We played snow and lots of people skiing. After that, we headed to a typical tourist food shop. After that, we visit the Green Mosque and tomb of Sultan's funeral complex. In the afternoon, we headed to hotel and prepare go to home, and in the morning we check out the hotel and we go the airport to return to Indonesia. This is my unforgettable experience. My daily routine at Sunday at 4 a.m. I wake up and go to my bathroom and wudu. After that, I salat Fajar. At 4:30, I read Al-Quran until 5 a.m. After read Al-Quran, I work out at morning until 6:30. I helping my parents cook clean up my bedroom, sweeping, and at 9 a.m. I breakfast with my family. At 8:30 a.m. I take a bath and salat duha. After that, at 10 a.m. I studying until 12 a.m. I salat duhur and I lunch with my family. At 1 p.m. I go to my store and I help out until 4 p.m. After coming home from my shop, I pray asar. After pray asar, I get together with my family until 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. I salat praying maghrib and making dinner. At 7 p.m. I praying Isha. After praying Isha, I dinner with my family. After dinner at 7:30, I go to mosque and reciting until 9 p.m. After reciting, I playing with my friends until 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. I go home and getting clean up and prepare for sleep. My future plan after COVID-19. I hope college on offline, but I hope meet my new friend, my lecturer, and I hope I can traveling with my family and my friends. I hope I can hang out with my friend